This is literally like the Douyin highlighters. Today we're gonna try the Flower Nose liquid highlighters. So these are the Flower Nose Midsummer Fairy Tale Collection liquid highlighters, and they have 4 colors in total. I'm gonna go with the more natural ones first. These are number 1, Moonlight Swing, and number 2, Sunset Forest. So the first color is a little bit more white pearl, and the second color is a little bit more gold champagne. You can already see how good this is gonna be. The first one, and the second one. I'm not sure if you can really tell the difference, but this side is a little bit more pearl and this side looks a little bit more warm champagne. So I removed the highlighter and now we're gonna go to the extreme ones. It's number 3, Pixie Dream, and number 4, Fairy Whisper. Okay, number 3 is a lot more gold and number 4 is a lot more purple. Okay, number 3, it's so reflective. And number 4, this is literally like the Douyin highlighters. Do you see the pretty purple reflection? Here's a little more gold, something on the nose. So I personally think they're really nice. Even though they're a little bit stronger, you can still wear them daily, on a daily basis. So I do really like them. So what do you think about the highlighters? Would you buy them?